Here I have HUAWEI Y6 2018 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning, open the settings, then go to wireless and networks. Here pick tethering and portable hotspot. Now go to portable Wi-Fi hotspot and you can simply enable and disable your hotspot by tapping on this switcher. There is also a possibility to change the name and the password for your hotspot by tapping on Configure Wi-Fi Hotspot, and here you can change both of them. Over here the device name, tap Save if any changes has been made, and also the password. You just have to remember that the password must contain at least 8 characters. So if you pick the eye icon, you will see your password, and now you can change it. Pick Save if you changed it, and actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.